74 Independence Day celebrated across the hill districts of Karbi Anglong. Hello and a very good morning to all the viewers of Karbi Anglong Live News. You're with Julie BP with the latest news for today. Now let's look into the news in detail. Along with the rest of the nation, the 74th year of Indian independence was celebrated across the twin Karbi districts of Assam. The local district administration organized the event in several towns, while several government offices also took the initiative to mark the day. Due to COVID-19 restrictions still in force, all public events have been cancelled. Let's take a round of the events held across the district through the report sent by our correspondent. In Deephu, the headquarters of Karbi Anglong, the main event of the day was held at Deephu God Boys Higher Secondary School playground, where the CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Tuliram Ronghang, hosted the national flag in the presence of the Deputy Commissioner, EMs, MACs, and several other officers. In his speech during the event, CM Ronghang reiterated that the people of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong should not forget the aim to achieve the Article 244A. At Dongkamukam, the Labour Union celebrated the day by hosting the national flag and singing the national anthem. The event was held at Langhan LP School, where Union President Monop Kramsa hosted the tricolour flag. Lotichari Atarang also distributed free books to 35 underprivileged students at Monronghang village, Sarsenot as a mark of respect towards the people of Sarsenot and to remember the 74th Independence Day. The Dongkamukam Lightning Sports Club, under the headed by Singdon Ronghang, also contributed sanitization items such as PPE kits, hand sanitizer and masks for the Dongkamukam 30-bedded hospital, which was handed over to the Dongkamukam Health Center in charge, Dr. Orivel Kramsa. In Numati constituency, several organizations of the BJP party including Mondal Committee, Yuva Morcha and Mahila Morcha took the initiative of hosting the national flag in schools, colleges and party as well as government offices. The initiative was led by Mondal President Jyoti Timung, Numati VDC Chairman Dhorom Kro and Mahila Morcha President Jyoti Rongparpi. In Dogmoka, Officer in charge of Dogmoka Police Station, Bitupon Sotia, unfurled the national flag at his office. Likewise, Dogmoka Forest Range Officer Rajan Rongpi performed the same at the Dogmoka Range Office. In the Dogmoka Town Committee office as well, DNB Chairman Biren Singh Teron unfurled the national flag to mark the day. There were several competitions held to make the event more interesting. In Pelangpi, MAC Pavan Kumar Rai unfurled the national flag in an event held jointly by Mandal BJP of Kopili and Ambreng constituencies. During his speech, MAC Pavan Kumar highlighted about the progress and development the nation has made in the 74 years after independence. Kopili VDC Chairman Hon Singh Terang was also present in the event. At Havar Kehat, BDO Biswajit Rongpi took the charge to celebrate the Day of Independence at his block office. Local MLA Joyram Ingling, VDC Chairman Jisoo Kemprai and several ward commissioners were also present during the program. At Bokajan, SDO Dilip Terang led the Independence Day event at Bokajan CCI Playground. Local MLA Dr. Numal Momin, EM Madhurya Dhekial Phukan, BMB Chairman Binod Kumar Shah, ward commissioners and several others attended the program. Meanwhile, the event was observed in Dolamara despite being interrupted by heavy rains, which has been continuing since Friday. The Independence Day event was observed at Dolamara Police Station. OC Dhruba Jyoti Bora unfurled the flag and sang the national anthem along with the police personnel and local leaders. The program was also attended by Dwarbaguri VDC Chairman Sarkoy Rongphar, VDC member John Kathar, ex-VDC member Dhoniram Rongphar and Mongol Singh Terang, Khor Singh Togbi, VDPs of Dolamara and Diring. In Daithor, the event was held at the Daithor police station in the morning, which was led by OC Pratap Senar and was attended by several Congress leaders of both Nilip and Dwarbaguri Mandal Committee. On the other side, due to heavy rain in the area, a major bamboo bridge, which have been serving as a lifeline for thousands of villagers living in Nihanghat, Malasi, Dolamara, was swept away by the flooding Diflo River. Karbi Anglong District Congress Committee General Secretary Dr. Mongve Rongpi had released a video where he had paid tribute to the struggle and sacrifices made by Congress leaders and workers.
भारत स्वाधीन के लोंग अपुकिमो के दिन पिक पेन लासो आसाधीन के लोंग आकचे सोंग लोंग सितमे कांग्रेस पार्टी आ कंट्रीब्यूशन के ठीक पिक चेथाना में प्लोटे लासो आसाधीन चिपालोंगजी भूत सितमे महात्मा गांधी के जापान लासो आंदोलन लोंग पेनान कांग्रेस क्लेम बांग की तुमबांग के अप्राण है ता दामनांग लो.
Correspondence report for Karbi Anglong Live. At the time when the entire country is celebrating its 74th Independence Day, residents of 4 villages inside Gorkanti MSC constituency have little to cheer about as daily life and communication have been terribly affected due to the lack of bridge over the river between Chiringti and Jarop village. The area which falls under the Sami Langsu police station is very backward and the lack of basic infrastructure speaks volumes for itself. The absence of bridge has made life very difficult for the villagers to go out for all purposes. People in need of medical attention, women and children are not only the hardest hit, but the river poses great threat to all sections of people of these 4 villages on the other side of the river. And more significantly, the road connecting these villages has been eroded on a massive scale, adding their hardships and daily sufferings. Residents of these 4 villages have appealed upon the present elected representatives of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for constructing a bridge, road and stone pitching to prevent further erosion of the road.
Koi ke ni to ki sung ke han lo ing long atawar dak chira rong apen ke ku ing long ta ai rong klian dola la pen chira rong ta me la ku rong apar la parai ta dola se la tum tame ni tum ki sung ke la bare kha hot ke dam ke wang la pen ke sun e ka chawan ke chpon la ha ki sung olem do se
Sarpang Ring reporting from Langhin. Well, that is all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Stay safe.